Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Wait a minute. Have you ever tried to imagine what $30 billion actually look like? Well, I'm not talking about figures you see on screen. Okay, so what I mean is $30 billion in comparison, to real life measurement. Today we break it down Aliko Dangote's, $30 billion wealth, in a way that even a math teacher will not dare to, because that number is so massive. And if you stay with me to the end, you will find out just one comparison that makes Dangote's money feels less like a currency and more like what NASA needs to be studying, because NASA deals with huge number. When they try to figure out and calculate the number of stars in space, planetary bodies, such as planets, galaxies, interstellars, and the likes. And trust me, what you see at the end, you won't believe it. So prepare your mind as we begin. First, how much is Dangote really worth?
Just to give you a bit of background, the Dangote Group has actually grown from a commodity trading company to a diversified conglomerate over the last 2 decades.
Now, as of right now, Dangote is worth around $30 billion. Now, if we flip that into Naira, using 1,500 Naira as our exchange rate, right? That's roughly 45 trillion Naira. But honestly, numbers like that are not human numbers. It's not the type of number we deal with every day. So your brain just sees plenty money, but can't comprehend just how much. Let's break it down into something our eyes can see. Before we continue, remember the end of this video holds the most unbelievable comparison. So just stick with me. We will take it step by step. We are using 1000 Naira note, which is our highest denomination in Naira. To simplify my explanation, we would convert 45 trillion Naira into 1000 Naira note to form a stack to enable us build a skyscraper. Think of the stack like a block needed to build a house, but we're using that stack to build a skyscraper. Now, 45 trillion divided by 1000 Naira each equals 45 billion notes. That means each 1000 Naira is now 45 billion, because we can't count 1 trillion. It's too plenty. So each height of the skyscraper we are trying to use the stack of money to build is about 4.95 meters or 4,950 kilometers. Now, what does this look like in real life? Are you ready? I don't think you're ready for this. Number one, Lagos Ibadan Express Road is 130 kilometers. Now, Dangote's money stack can cover the entire express road 38 times. Imagine driving from Lagos to Ibadan. You would have to do that trip 38 times on a road made of cash. Like, if they arrange Dangote's cash from Lagos to Ibadan, you have to and you're driving on it, right? You have to make that trip 38 times. Number two, Lagos to Abuja is 760 kilometers. That stack of cash stretches that distance 7 times. Now, if you start in Lagos and travel to Abuja by road, you would have to complete the journey 7 times. Number three, Third Mainland Bridge in Lagos is 11.8 kilometers. So, Dangote money can stretch that bridge 419 times, meaning they would have to build more 418 bridges to add up to the one we already have. Number four, Lagos to London is 5,000 kilometers. Dangote stack is almost the same distance as flying from Lagos to London. Imagine being on a plane, looking down, and the entire flight path from Lagos to London is just one long pillar of 1000 Naira notes from Lagos to London. Well, that's not wealth anymore. That's architecture. Now, here's the part nobody tells you. It's not about worshiping money. Yes, Dangote is freaking wealthy, right? But it's deeper, because numbers like trillions don't behave like money. They behave like space measurement, where you would have to start, taking numbers and measuring distance of planets, moon, stars, galaxies, and etc. When wealth crosses a certain threshold, it stops being rich man's money and start becoming big infrastructure money, state budget money, sovereign wealth fund. This is the kind of wealth that usually don't live in wallets or in the possession of one person. Usually, this kind of wealth is usually, dealt with, by government. And that was why Dangote had the mindset and vision, to build a refinery because he knew he could. If you learned something new, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you do not miss my next comparison video. Thank you.